I'm Ruslana. I'm 25 years. I came in Geneva for a month ago, and I'm arrived. My level of was zero, but now I understand people who speak French very good, and I practice my grammar, my vocabulary in French with my friends, with the school, and now I feel more better. Yeah. I'm looking for a job in Geneva, and I know that it's very important to know the French language, but also because I really like the language is also close to Italian, and yeah, I find French very romantic. About the school, I like everything. I can study without anxiety. Nobody forces me. I can study by myself. I come from Italy, and the school in Italy don't use this method. And when I discovered this school in Geneva, I really appreciated it. Teachers are very, very kind, understand you. If you have problems, they support you, and I really appreciate it. I participate all appointments with social club. I find really interesting. I can practice my French or can make new friendships, and the school help you make new friendships. I'm feeling more confident with French because I'm not scared about French people or people that speak in French anymore.